This video presentation is on one of the last two things we have to do with factoring. This would be sum and differences of cubes. First of all, what are the perfect cubes? Perfect cubes, and there's an infinite number of them, but the ones that we will concern ourselves with. 1 cubed is 1, 2 cubed is 8, 3 cubed is 27, 4 cubed is 64, 5 cubed is 125, and 6 cubed is 216. The only other one that I would probably hold you responsible for, possibly 7 cubed is 289, make that 343. Come on, Musket. And 10 cubed, which is 1,000. This could show up a couple of times, and if you see it, just recognize it. And 1,000 should be obvious. All right, what you're going to end up having is problems that look like this. 27x cubed minus 8. Where this is a perfect cube, 3x raised to the third power, and this is a perfect cube, 2 raised to the third power. We're going to have a formula for sum or difference of perfect cubes. The formula, which is very simple but must be memorized, is always given as a cubed minus b cubed, or a cubed plus b cubed. And it's very simple. Quantity a minus b times the quantity a squared plus ab plus b squared. And let me erase this and this, cubed, and here it's a minus, here it's a minus. If it's a cubed plus b cubed, and again I'm going to erase the plus and make this a plus, now we have a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. Once you figure out these and memorize these formulas, this is really easy because it's just throw it into a formula. So let's look at a couple of simple examples. First of all, our previous example that I gave you, 27x cubed plus 8, 27x cubed plus 8, which is 3x raised to the third power plus 2 to the third power. Anywhere there's an a, I put 3x. Anywhere there's a b, I put 2. So we have 3x plus 2, substituting a and b, times 3x squared minus 3x times 2, a times b, plus b squared. Whoa, what was that? And then we clean it up. 3x plus 2, 3x times 3x, 9x squared, minus 3 times 2, 6x, plus 2 times 2 is 4. That's it. That's all there is to it. Plug and chug. All right, let's look at another one. 64 x cubed minus 1. The last one was a plus, yeah. So this is the difference of perfect cubes. This is 4x raised to the third power minus 1 to the third power. Our formula, remember, is a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. All right, 4x is a and 1 is b. 4x minus 1. Now we take a squared, 4x times 4x is 16x squared, plus 4x times 1 is 4x, plus 1 squared is 1. No longer do you have to look for combinations. It's just plug it into the formula and away you go. All right? Plug it into the formula and there's really not a whole lot to it. All right, pay attention. When it's minus, this is always minus, and the rest of these are always plus. One place people get in trouble with on this is their signs. All right, let's look at one more example. 125 x cubed minus 64. This is 5x raised to the third power minus 4 to the third power. Why don't you pause the video, do it yourself, and then see if you get the right answer. All right, hopefully you tried it on your own. Let's see what happens. This is a, so we have 5x minus b, 4, times a squared, 25x squared, plus, always going to be a plus, 5x times 4 is 20x, plus 4 times 4 is 16. And we're done. If you're ever not sure, you can always multiply this out. Dun, 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 dun. 5 times 25, 125x cubed, minus 5 times 20, 100 x squared. 5 times 16 is plus 80. Negative 4 times 25, this is a plus. 5 times 20 is positive 100. Negative 4 times 25 minus 100 x squared. Negative 4 times 20 x, and this was an x, oh boy, early in the morning. 5x times 16 is 80x. Minus 80x and minus 64. No good checking if you're making mistakes. These cancel, and we get 125 x cubed minus 64, so it does check. You can always check, don't have any real reason to. All right, there's going to be one more video before 2018. Talk to you later.